Hi guys, so in this video I'm just going to share my few tips on how to stay motivated and stay consistent as you're learning software development, right? So the first thing that helped me to stay motivated is knowing the benefits of software development. So as you know, if you become a software developer, there are a lot of benefits that come along with that skill. So one of them is the money, right? Because as a software developer, you're going to get paid handsomely. So as you know, there are a lot of big tech companies like Google, Netflix, and all the other big companies, and even the companies that are just getting started. They'll they'll sacrifice to pay you a lot of money so that they can be able to 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 get their business running. So that's why as you become a software developer, you're going to be paid handsomely. So that's another benefit that helped me stay motivated so I can continue learning software development. And another benefit that comes along is the fact that you will be able to take a business idea and make it real. So as you know, there are a lot of people right now who have business ideas. They want to create a certain app, but they are unable to create that app because they don't have the the ability to execute their idea and turn it into a product. But if you are a software developer, you'll be able to create that app from scratch and ship it to so that people can use it. So that's another benefit that comes along if as you become a software developer. And another thing that helped me stay motivated is the fact that software development jobs are not like other jobs. So you just stay at your desk and code the whole day. You don't really have to do anything hard or anything that will make your body feel under pressure. So if you are a software developer, you just stay on a desk and look at your screen the whole time, and that's all you do the whole day at your job, and you're going to get paid very well. So that's what kept me motivated every time as I'm learning software development because I knew at the end of the day I was going to be able to receive those benefits that come along as you become a software developer. And another thing that helped me stay motivated is through watching YouTube videos of people who are also going through the same thing or who went through the same thing in the journey of becoming a software developer. So I really watched a lot of videos of people who were also self-taught. So they shared their story, and that really helped me to be able to stay motivated and know that there are real people in this real world who also are software developers, and they taught themselves this software development thing and they were able to get a job, and this is how they did it. So that really helped me stay motivated and know that at the end of the day I'll be able to become like one of these people. So I kept learning everything every single day so I can be able to get to that level at which those people are at right now. Another thing that helped me stay motivated is the fact that you can become your own boss. So you can do freelance work with your skills which you acquired as you were learning software development. So you can create website for businesses on your own through your own time. Like everything can you can do everything on your own through freelancing, and you'll be paid very well because they know the value of a software developer. So they'll be able to agree with you on a certain prices that you're going to be setting when you create website for these businesses. So even now, although I have a job, but I still do some side hustle by doing freelancing stuff. So I'm able to get businesses to work with me very much easily because they know the value of a software developer, and I have a good looking resume. So I just send them my resume, or I just show them the projects that I've built previously, and they are able to see that this person is legit. They've built website before, so they are able to work with me very quickly. So that's another benefit of becoming a software developer. So what helped me stay consistent is through building websites. So I've been building like a lot of projects as I was learning software development. I've never skipped a day without coding. Like that would never happen because I knew that if I want to be a software developer much quicker, I have to I have to code like every single day. Everything that I learn, I have to make sure I execute that by creating projects on that specific skill that I've learned that day or that week. So if you can create a lot of projects and focus on making those projects look much beautiful or much functional, Like if you learn HTML today, start creating projects that will be much easier to create using HTML. And tomorrow, if you learn CSS, create like fix those projects that you've created using HTML, because as you know, HTML doesn't really make the website look beautiful. It's just used to insert certain elements on your website so that users can interact or see those elements to make the website more like a website, like the way a website should be. By using CSS, we are able to style this website and design them so that they can look a bit beautiful, right? So once you learn CSS, go back to those projects and make them look the way you want. And later on, when you learn JavaScript, go back to those projects that you've built before, or when you were learning HTML, and make them more functional. So once you've learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, start building websites that are dynamics. So build websites that require a user to interact, enter the same things on the website, and just dynamic websites, right? Like for example, you should start building e-commerce website. And I know a lot of people will think it's really hard to build those websites, but trust me, that is very easy. As long as you have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it will be very easy to build a dynamic e-commerce website. Then later on, when you build that website and you think that it takes a bit of time to create that e-commerce website, then I think that will be a time to start learning React. And as long as you know JavaScript, like you know JavaScript very well, then you can transition into learning React, which won't really take you that long. Like it can take you 5 days to learn React, because I think it took me about 3 days to learn React, because I was able to understand everything that was in React, because I was very proficient in JavaScript. So after learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then start learning React or Vue or Angular. But I really recommend you guys to learn React, because a lot of companies, like if you want to get a job at the end, a lot of companies are using React. So that's why it's very much recommended for you guys to learn React. So to stay consistent, just create a lot of projects. And the reason for this, if you create a lot of projects, you're going to encounter a lot of problems on your projects. So with those problems, you'll be able to you work hard in doing your own research so you can be able to fix those problems. So this will help you to be familiar with doing research when you encounter a problem. So while you're building your own projects, a lot of projects, you're going to stay consistent, and also going to help you to be familiar with doing research on technical issues, and that will help you a lot later when you get a job. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more YouTube content like this. So have an awesome day, guys. Thank you.